drivers in the box in 3, 2, 1, go!
No.
What?
Oh,
We are off once again. A fun dichotomy in this match.
Wait, our driver
between
station
two
turned off.
teams from opposite coasts facing off against two teams that are within a couple hours of each
Wait,
other.
FDA.
2-3-2-0-5 Creative Minds going to be starting off
Our driver station turned off.
Alliance. They're going to go for that ramp. Blue Alliance remains
It was 100% power.
15 as 69
Pick up your controllers.
Bro, it's fine. I know what to do once we get it back.
Oh.
3.
And we need to go for motif, but like, don't prioritize it.
Just do what you can.
We will get back, I promise.
Alliance is being very careful to avoid. We've seen some very good driver skill this weekend when it comes to starting right at that gun. 2-3-3-0-5 Creative Minds playing incredibly creative.
You guys swap around the controllers.
In motion, just barely dodging contact from their opponents, the Gear Wizards. The Gear Wizards, currently the primary ramp machine for this Red Alliance. They hit another couple. Meanwhile, 25
trim that.
is going to go for that
Good.
And the distance, they go over.
I got two.
Their accuracy has been
We're in zone.
as the event is going on. As over on the blue side, you can see 12-3-3-1. They are going to go 2 for 1 on their last volley, and another 1-4-2. Getting a high quantity of shots off.
Wait, what are you doing?
They are
Go
not
back.
the highest percentage. That's why they are still close here. 171-140, your current score with just 5 seconds left to play.
No.
On the Red Alliance.
And do not go for motif. Do not go for motif.
After having a few floods from long range, they are adjusting their strategy a bit, going nearby, where they
Steal.
penalty. Going 3 for 3, 6 for 6 on their last 2 volleys. 201-190. The Red Alliance keeping their feet on the gas.
Do not touch their game.
The Blue Alliance bouncing.
Keep going.
Creative Minds. And the Scarsdale Robo Raiders
keep going.
to shoot from downtown. No time to move across the field with 9
keep going. Clear gate. Wait, no, do not clear. Park. 3, 2, 1. And that will be the conclusion of match 24. Wait,
we'll be back
we do not know what
happened. What?
Do you guys have a second driver station?
We don't.
We don't. Oh, we have 3 driver stations.
This driver station
is the best one.
This is so bad.
This is our best driver station. What happened?
I don't know. It was a long spot.
Wait, thank you guys. And once we came back, we were on point too. So.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah. You guys have
Is this common?
Yes. Actually, we've seen 4 of them already today.
What?
4 teams have this?
4 teams had this.
Wait,
here?
This
One team just died?
No, 4 teams had driver stations just randomly turned off.
So here's what my thought is, guys.
Oh.
If you have a spare driver station that's in operable condition, run that.
Okay.
And after this match, take that driver station to Rev in the Robot Hospital.
Yo, we're sponsored by Rev.
Sponsored by Rev. Warzone person.
I'm gonna make you out there that
Come up and test.
Wait, and that's if we were both locked in, that could have been like almost 400. If not more.
Yeah. Dude, that was beautiful.
So we came out like 45 seconds in to count up.
When we were scouting up, we're like, oh, our ceiling is 7-3. Because we're probably going to lose this game.
And then you guys, and then we launch on. Go to Rev.
Dude,
I'm straight up gonna like mark this timestamp on the
it turned off again.
No, what?
Our OPR is kind of fried, but whatever.
Yo, it doesn't matter, bro. Everybody knows.
OPR is the most important thing for us.
Everybody knows OPR is not a real or something.